Today I'm gonna test out some of the top selling portable carpet cleaning machines. These do like upholstery, they do spots on your carpet. They don't do the whole entire room, but it's really good if you have a pet to invest in one of these before you even get the pet because it's just bound to happen. So let's test them against each other. I have a little bit of experience with this Bissell. I've also used the Hoover. I haven't used this new Shark. All of these come with their own solution, which is like a nice thing. Okay, so the Shark one actually came with a bunch of attachments. We've got like 3 little heads. We've got some cleaner. I haven't used it yet. Oh, look at that. Here's the attachments that the Hoover came with, plus we have the cleaning solution. And then here is what we have for the Bissell. We just have the cleaning solution. I feel like that is it. That was all in the box. I'm gonna make some stains. I'm gonna do coffee, red wine, and tomato sauce. Those are like really hard stains to lift, and they're one of the most common ones that happen on carpet. So let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. For the tomato sauce, I'm just gonna blot up any of the excess because I don't want any of these chunks going into the machine. It's just not good for it. But also with every stain, you guys, if you see a stain, treat it immediately as soon as you can because that's just gonna make it way easier for you to lift it. Starting with the Bissell Little Green Max Pet, okay? So turn it on. Right here we have a little trigger and that is going to release the cleaner. So sometimes I just like to spray the stain first, you guys, just to saturate it to help pre-treat it so it sucks up easy. Look how good that's working already. This has OxyClean in it. Stain fighter or whatever their stain treatment is. So I know it's gonna work really good. For the red wine stain with the Bissell, it's not fully lifted. I went for 3 minutes. I'm gonna use 3 minutes on all the stains, okay, and see what happens. Like I'm gonna run max 3 minutes. If it lifts it faster, like that's who's gonna get the winning medal. This is the Hoover Clean Slate. Is there a smaller attachment for this? Okay, so I feel like this is a little bit lifted a little bit better than this one did. Maybe the cleaner's a little bit stronger, but that was like a bigger surface area. So it was a little bit like cumbersome how big that thing was, and I wish that the sprayer was closer to the brush. I feel like if I would have kept going, the stain would have fully came out, but I'm doing a time limit just to make it fair. So I do think that eventually we would get this out. I think a stronger cleaner, because red wine is a really hard stain to lift up too, guys. Now I'm gonna try the Shark Stain Striker, woohoo. Based on the red wine stains, the Shark has won by a mile. It was pretty good, like lifted the whole entire stain by 2 minutes, but I kept going just to be fair. Now let's do the other ones. running the self-cleaning cycle from the Shark Stain Striker. So I just clip this little thing on here, turn it on, and push. And it's gonna suck through the hose. So see how it's doing that? And you leave the dirty water tank because it's rinsing out the hose. So it's gonna stop it from getting gross and stinky. Oh my God, this is so freaking smart. This is like the main complaint people have is they smell and the hose gets dirty and they can't clean it. That's like worth the extra 50 bucks. Now, to rinse it all the way through, I just pulled this up high and now it's sucking everything with suction. I can feel it. It's like a wind tunnel. It's probably, if I keep pulling it like this, it'll probably dry it. Okay, so that's the inside of it. It's just the suction, not the dome. Okay, we've got a screen to clean out. Make sure you clean them really, really well. And let them air dry overnight before you put them back together. It's the same as cleaning out a vacuum. You don't want this water to sit because it's gonna wreck your machine and make it really stinky if you don't do it. This is the Hoover, this is the hose rinse tool. So it's just kind of like a little tiny plug. And then what I'm going to do here is run it because it's just going to, I like when the nozzles have this extra like piece that comes off so that we can rinse it because this gets a lot of pet hair and everything stuck in it. Then you can just hose this out underneath the sink. Okay, so one thing that I like about this one is the old one doesn't have, the Pro Heat doesn't have this. You can remove this little tiny thing and then clean it out because it always gets stuck with like gunk and pet hair. Here's my results. I like the Shark the best, you guys. Honestly, if you have a dog or a cat and you want to do, it has those extra functions for like the pee and the poop suck up, but it also picked up absolutely everything. It did so good. It has the self-cleaning function. It's a little bit higher on the price point, but the Bissell is really, really comparable too. Like it picked up almost everything. The only thing I think it kind of left behind is the red wine. I feel like I could have still got it off if I would have treated it with like a stronger stain pre-treat. And then the bottom one is the Hoover. But again, these are all like, these are the top 3 rated ones. So I don't think you're gonna go wrong with any of them, but I do feel like the Hoover, because the like attachment was so big, it kind of mushed stuff into the carpet and spread the stain around a little bit. I thought it was just like cumbersome to use compared to the 2 other ones that had a smaller handle. I understand the concept of making it bigger so you can cover more surface area, but it's actually easier if it's smaller, especially if we're dealing with like an upholstery spot carpet cleaner. We're not doing the whole entire carpet with this. We're really working on just doing like spot pet messes. If you have a pet, spring for the Shark. The Bissell will do it for you too, you guys, but that Shark is really cool. I'm really excited to try that, take that Shark to like someone else's house and test it on like a pet house with the pet hair, and also just some pet stains in the carpet because those are really, really hard to lift. And if you guys have any stains that you haven't been able to lift, let me know what they are in the comments and I'll try to give you some tips. Thanks for watching.